Alright, we are back at it, ladies and gentlemen, and I just want to make a little change in here. I'm sorry, I don't want to do that. I want to make the additional tiles red, and in order for me to do that, I need to go in our BP tile, and in begin play, I want to say if your tile type, which is a tile template, if I'm not mistaken. If your tile type and this is going to be an expose and spawn variable. If your tile type is equal to additional tile, you're going to be red. So like this, we want to check the floor. We want to tell the floor to use. We want to go to our MI, our material instance. We want to do a flat red. And this is going to be a flat red like this. I mean, like this. This is not flat red. It doesn't really matter. And you're going to set the material of the floor to red. And this is going to allow us to see actually where are the tiles spawning. So, no, not yet. Oh, what's going on? Oh yeah, I switched their material, of course. So I want the base tile to be light gray. And this is going to be like this. I want the base tile to be light gray. And I will check on the start tile to see if it actually reset its color. And if it did, I'm going to put it back to pale green. So I will do so for the end tile as well. I'm going to make the end tile green as well. And then if I'm hitting play, yes, I still need to tell the tile what type it is when I'm spawning it. So we're going to go back to our find random. No, we're going to go back to our spawn tile function. And this in here needs, so we created that expose on spawn variable. So it appeared in here and we want to create that in here. And we are going to check when do we spawn that? We spawn that in here. We want to pass the type in here. We want to hit play. And then we have additional tiles, but they're not quite spawning at the right spot, are they? So we are not going to generate them, and we're going to see if we still have errors, because this scares me actually. So it actually does not generate errors. We're going to check real quick if we can generate several layers without errors. It appears to be working. So if I'm plugging this in here, I'm hitting play. Okay, I think I know what's wrong. I think we are building the tile on top of the wrong one. Yep. If the location is not chosen, we're going to build a tile in here. Yeah. This is correct. So we're going to check on the logic once again. We are getting all the location. We're shuffling them. We are looping through the additional tile amount. We're saying we did not find the location yet. We're making sure we are only trying to add tiles. Okay, I know what's wrong. Okay, no, I do not know what's wrong. We're generating additional tile. I mean, we are only keeping the generic tile in here. We are finding the location around. If the location are not used, we're adding a tile to our layout in here. If the location is not used, here, and we are plugging it to that, which is our initial random location, which shows I think I should if I'm looping through that, I'm ignoring everything else but generic tile, everything but generic tiles. That's correct. And I'm connecting these tiles. Oh, what the heck? How could I have a northern starting style? So they are taking the place of our generic tiles. Okay. When we get our tile class, I mean, no, it should work. Why doesn't it work? At least it's creating 3 of them. Well, it generated a nice layout in here, but this is not acceptable. Why is it doing this? I'll break it once again and check it out.